Hello and nice to meet you. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can edit workshop components and how to add MediaPipe hand tracking to your project. So what we need to do in the first step is we need to get the component. This is the component that I want to change and customize to my own needs. It's just a simple 3D model viewer. And what I do now, I just copy paste it inside here and I go to edit in workshop. I click on unlinked instance and now I have my own instance of this component. What we can do now, we go to summarize and I type in analyze the current code and understand it. This helps the AI to analyze it again, see what kind of functions and what kind of features are inside the code. So in the next step, we are going to add the MediaPipe. What I want to have is that if I move my hand or my fist in a direction, the 3D model should also move. So what I do is add MediaPipe hand tracking to rotate and move the 3D model based on my hand position. It should rotate, please. So now it's working. Hopefully it understood me right, and yeah, so that the video is not that long, I will skip it here. Okay, hello, we are back and he finished the job, and now we can activate it and see if it is working. So hand tracking is activated and let's see. So I have my hand here, so you can't see, but let me add first, please add a webcam view. I can here just show the camera, and what I can do now when I'm moving my hand, I can move the 3D model. It's moving in real time. That's a really cool thing. I can use the fist, I can rotate it and look from different points on it. Yeah, this is the first step, and now I want to add a zoom. So please add a zoom in, zoom out gesture to generate when my index finger and thumb coming close together, it should shrink, and when getting further, when the distance gets bigger, then please then make it bigger. Okay, this takes a while again, and yeah, we see each other soon. Okay, we are back and we implemented the function. The workshop tool did this for us, and yeah, let's see how this works. We go to show, and currently it's not working 100%, so I have to fix it up. Now it takes some time. So we have now a grid, and you see when I'm moving those two fingers, it's going to zoom in and zoom out. Yeah, that's just two functions, and this is how you can edit components, workshop components in a short amount of time. And yeah, hopefully this video was helpful for you. Hopefully I could offer you some value. If it is like this, it would be really nice if you like this video. And if you want to see more to the topic of Framer Workshop plugin, then just subscribe to my channel, and hopefully we see each other in the next video. Have a nice day and see you soon.
Generate by AI.